Alright, so the idea behind the Coffee Brew Guide app is just that there's so many different types of brew methods, and each of them requires their own specific set of instructions for brewing. Just kind of walk through some of the equipment. We have the V60, the Chemex, the Kalita Wave, the Coffee Sock, the Bee House, the Cold Brew Drip Tower, the French Press, and the Toddy Cold Brew System. And not to mention there's many types of espresso and espresso drinks that require different ratios and mixing. So kind of the app layout, I went over in the flowchart. We have the grind chart, which is different types of grinds, grind conversion ratio, which is from cups to grams, some different brew tips on how to pour coffee and what type of water you should use, whether it be filtered, non-filtered, whatever, and different types of brew methods. We have pour over espresso, immersion brewing, and cold brew, and have a store for filters and bags and such. And I quickly looked on the App Store, and I found these results here. One of them I like the most here is this Cup of Joe, and I like the home screen here, how it has the different types of methods for brewing. He has espresso, mocha espresso, filter coffee, French press, coffee cocktails, Turkish coffee, iced coffee, and so on. And I really like this infographic here on kind of how to divide up the espresso. It has kind of a quick timeline on how you make it. So I like some features on this app. It's kind of the closest that I found to what I want. But if you search in the App Store, there's not really that many types of apps related to coffee and coffee guides. So I think the app that I'm thinking about is pretty unique and could be very helpful. One that I did look at and download, this is more of a coffee store app, but I really like how the home screen is laid out. They have the different, like, espresso right here, latte, pour over, and in this app it goes to places to find the different shops, but I think if you click pour over, it could go to kind of a list of the different pour over methods and then how to make each method once you click on that. So this is kind of just some of the basic ideas that I have for this. Any feedback would be appreciated. Thanks.